Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video we're going to be creating this hybrid human hair slash synthetic hair wig right here. If you guys want to know how I achieved this hair for less than 10,000 naira, then definitely do keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick one because I feel like if you guys know how to sew or make a wig, you just know the entire process. All you need to know is what I used and how I used what I used. What? All you need to know is what I used and how I used it. So first of all, I went ahead to use a closure that I already have on this part right here, and the rest of the hair is a synthetic, or it's a premium fiber hair that I got for 3,500 naira in Nigeria, Lagos here. So you can probably get this hair from any local store. Yeah, so for this wig, like any typical wig, you would need a dummy head or someone's head that could stay for a couple of hours so that you can sew on it. You're going to need a dummy head. You're going to need a couple of T-pins to pin the wig cap and the weave down. You're going to need your dome cap, and that's what I used. I'm going to be inserting everything that I use and my entire process in this video. And then you're going to need needle and thread. Now for the extension that I used this extension. I used 2 packs. Yeah, so I used 2 packs, and in the 2 pack, this is from Durable. I have never heard of them. This is my first time using it and my first time seeing it. But when I saw it and I saw the length, I just figured I would try to create something with it and see how it works. It doesn't take on heat so well, but yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a Durable product. I'm seeing it for the first time. It comes with like 4 bundles and they are quite thin, so I had to use 4 bundles in each pack. So I used a total of 7 bundles on this hair, and it's still like, it's full, yeah, but like, you get what I mean. For me to use 7 bundles, it's not as full as it can be. So yeah, I used 7 bundles. That is 2 packs in summary. All right, so I'm just gonna go off and then show you the process of how I installed the hair, but I'm gonna speed it up a little bit so that way we don't waste time. Here, get me? Feel me? Got it? Get it? Okay, let's go. Alright, so hey love, so I'm going to start braiding my closure all back just to get it out of the way, so that way it doesn't get messy and all over the place. Now I'm just going to use my T-pin to secure the closure onto the wig cap and then start sewing it down, making sure that it is as flat as possible and also as secure as possible. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to move on to start sewing on the tracks of the synthetic or fiber hair. And I'm just going to keep doing that, and I'm doubling the weft just because of how thin the extension is, just to get more volume and to get more work done. I'm just going to keep on sewing it onto the wig cap in this direction. As you're seeing now, I'm speeding up the process because I feel like having this kind of video is quite repetitive. So if you guys want to know have a detailed video on how I install my wefts and all of that, let me know down so I can do a more detailed video. But yeah, this is what I'm just doing, just sewing on the weft onto the wig cap, and that's what I'm going to be doing till we're almost done. Alright, so for this entire hair, I used 2 packs and I used 7 bundles out of the 2 packs. This is what one of the bundle looks like. It's quite light, so I had to use 7 of it. I'm just going to be using this last or the 7th bundle to close up that little gap and to connect it with the
closure that we used. I'm connecting that weft to the closure. I'm sewing it through and through, so that way everything locks and it's kind of blends in together. So I'm just going to loosen up the braid that we did and start, you know, styling it. Now guys, this hair is so easy to comb through, and you will just see me in a bit as I'm combing through it. It's actually therapeutic. Like, it's the way it flows, it's so amazing for a synthetic hair. Now I'm just customizing the closure, just trying to remove a little bit of that baby hair, just to make it a little bit scarce. Can you guys see what this looks like? It feels better than it looks, trust me. And for a synthetic or premium fiber wig, I'm shocked. I just kept on brushing it because it felt so silky and so smooth at the same time. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead to take off that excess layer right there from the cap, just so we can have like a see-through on the closure. This is what it looks like now. It is I think it's a 6 by 2 inch closure. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply a little bit of mousse just to slick that bit down, so that way we have like a sleek hair, because I was going for like a bone straight hair, as you guys are seeing here. So this is what we have. I'm using my hot comb to also sleek down the closure that we use, and this is what we're having. This is what we're having now. And I'm just going to use my scarf to just further sleek it down and just let this sit overnight so everything just kind of blends.
So this is what she's looking like, and guys, this synthetic hair feels so soft. Like, I'm running my hands through it. It feels so soft. And this is what it looks like. And just bring her closer. I'm just going to go ahead to just wear this on my head. I want to put an elastic band so that way it stays firm on my head. Okay guys, so I went ahead to fix the band, and hopefully this thing fits me. I'm just going to go ahead to wear it up. Let me just... So this is what it is looking like right now. Obviously I'll still have to brush it, but let me get my mirror. Okay, let me just go ahead to cut off the excess lace. I'm just going to brush this hair. Okay guys, so this is what it is looking like now. This is what the hair looks like, and guys, this hair is so soft and it just combs easily. And I get why they say it's a premium fiber hair, because it feels almost natural. It feels almost human hair like. So this is what the hair looks like. Again, it is 24 inches, so it is quite long. Yeah, this is how long the hair is. It's probably even reaching my bum. Yep, it is. This is what the back of the hair looks like. This is what it looks like. I see a lot of hair people do this. I don't know why they do it, but I just did that just to do it. Feels so silly, so silky. Like, it's not like the usual synthetic hair. It feels like human hair, but again, it is premium fiber and it just flows. Can you see that? So this is it. I just wanted to play around with hair, something more affordable. I do love this series, just playing around with affordable hair, crochet, weave, things that I could literally switch up in a second, because I get hair bored and I like to try out new things and new styles and just play around with what I can find around me. But I just wanted something sleek, like a bone straight type of hair. Can you see how it's just moving? So yeah. Oof. Yeah, this is it. This is how to slay on a budget. If you guys like this series, give me a thumbs up so I can know that you guys like this series, and that way I can bring out more content like this as Well, so yeah, if you guys like what you're seeing, if you guys like hair series, I have a couple of them. Don't worry, just click on this link right here and it will take you to my playlist of affordable looks, sexy, amazing hairstyles. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys have suggestions, what kind of hairstyles would you like to see? Bob, straight, curly, you know, wavy, you know, just give me your vibe and I'll give you my vibe, and that way we can meet halfway and vibe together. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fab, stay blessed. Bye guys.